Too often, we find ourselves creating portraits that lack depth and originality. We become mere imitators, losing touch with our own distinctive style. However, in this tutorial, I am to guide you towards a more expressive approach to drawing, one that breathes life into your art, capturing the essence of your emotions, personality, and individuality. The key to capturing your true essence lies in selecting a picture that truly captivates you. Let your eyes wander over the colors, subjects, and compositions until you find that one image that resonates deeply within you. Choose with intention, for it is through this selection that you can unlock the power to express the depths of your inner self. I start my work by studying the features of the face. I pay attention towards the basic anatomy, eyes, nose, and mouth to capture the uniqueness of the chosen portrait. As the basic drawing is done here, I'll begin shading. Make sure you consider the light and dark areas in the reference photo. Once you master the skills of analyzing lights and darks within your sketches, your shading skills will improve tremendously. A helpful tip for shading is to always check where the light is coming from in your photo before starting. Next, I use a variety of drawing tools to create depth and texture in the portraits. I also like to experiment with different techniques to bring out the personality of the subject. This I will be discussing further in the next chapter of this video. Unlocking the doors to boundless expression lies within the art of mark making. This exercise is not just about creating lines. It's a journey of self-discovery, a pathway to unleash your unique creativity. With each confident stroke that you make, you delve deeper into the core of your being. Remember, your marks are as distinct as your fingerprints, so trust your instincts and let your creativity soar. By looking at what other artists have created, you'll notice that each one puts their own unique personality into their work. You'll simply be able to pinpoint their distinct essence through the marks they make. With the skills you've gained through the mark-making exercise, you now have the power to infuse your portraits with various moods and inspirations, making each creation uniquely yours. Now, infused with the energy from our mark-making exploration, focus on capturing the emotions and expressions through shading and contrasts to make the portrait come to life. It's important not to get too caught up in the details, but rather focus on capturing the overall feeling of the portrait. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to drawing portraits. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and keep experimenting with different styles. One day you will discover your own unique essence in the drawings you make. Let me know if this tutorial inspired you into finding your own expression. This has been my process of self-discovery, and I thought it might be helpful for other young artists as well. Also, you can comment down below if you have any requests or suggestions. Next up, I'll share with you how to paint this same picture with oils in an expressive style. So be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more art tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.